Hey Paul, my name's Tony. Reached out to your company a little earlier in the weekend, quickly spoke to Sue and let her know I wanted to shoot you guys off this quick video. She was kind enough to provide me this email address and mention you might be the one that would want to watch this. She also did mention that you guys are, a smaller neighborhood business and that you might be pretty busy as it is. So this information might not apply right now, but if things change or you ever look to grow, the information in here might be useful to you. So just set the email to the side if that's the case, and hopefully one day you'll need it and it'll be there for you. So what I wanted to do was go over 3 tips to help you improve your online presence in a way that'll help you generate some additional business via your website. This is something I do for free for small businesses and small business owners. The only thing I ask is that if you find the information useful or beneficial, just hit reply on the email and let me know your thoughts. Any feedback would be wonderful. So with that, what I want to do is go over Google's 3 main ranking factors. That's content, citations, and backlinks. And we'll start with content, which is just the images and words on your homepage. This is really the foundation of your existence, your website's existence in Google is content. We say content is king when it comes to Google. Google wants to see well-written, authoritative content and a lot of it. What we see here on your site right now is 824 words. So we suggest 1,500 to 2,000 words. One of the other reasons outside of Google just really liking that type of content is keywords. These kind of keywords like this guy here is searched about 250 times a month in Orlando, and there's a lot of variations of these roofing keywords. The more content you have on your homepage, the easier it is to interweave these keywords into your the verbiage on your site without coming off as keyword stuffing or spamming keywords. So hopefully that makes sense. So after doing this search here, I wanted to pull up the first actual roofer that shows up in the organic listings and do a little comparison. So Gold Key Roofing shows up number 3 for this search right now. And they've got a little over 1,000 words. So you can definitely beat these guys out pretty easily. Just get yourself to 1,500. You'll be beating them out in this particular ranking factor. So let's go ahead and go on to citations. So after doing this search, at the top here, we get the Google sponsored ads. That's Google trying to make their money. I don't really want to talk about that today. Paid ads, that is. Under here, this is called the map pack. And this is super important for small businesses like yourself if you're trying to drive a little bit more traffic to your phones. About 50% of the search volume for these kind of keywords are going to call or click on one of these 3 listings. So the question is, how do you get here? And that's something called citations. And that's just your company name, address, and phone number out on directory sites on the web like Yellow Pages, White Pages, Yelp, Angie's List, Thumbtack, Porch, even Facebook. Get your company added to 10 to 15 of those per week for a few weeks. And over time, you're going to start seeing your listing start rising in this area. The one thing to keep in mind is you have to be super consistent with the way you input that data. Consistency is key across those directories. So under this is called the organic listings, and these are more affected by something called backlinks. And that's just your company website URL in a clickable format out on another website. And when I say clickable, I mean, you hover over it, you get the underline, and you can click and go to that website. So not all backlinks are created equal. You want to make sure you get these kind of links from trusted websites, and if you can, websites that are in the same niche as yourself. So another roofing site, or maybe even like a home improvement magazine type website. There's those kind of sites are out there for pretty much every kind of niche. Home improvement being one of them. Often they have blogs. You can even provide the site owner a blog article, maybe 1,000 words on some kind of roofing topic. Often they'll trade you a backlink for that kind of content, so it helps them keep their blog active, which they want to do. So hopefully that is a nice little tip for you. So that's content, citations, and backlinks. Next, I want to take your competitor's URL here and put them in this tool called Ahrefs. I pay monthly for this. It gives us some awesome statistics on a website and an estimation of what Google knows about this website. So these guys, Gold Key Roofing, have 202 of those backlinks I was just talking about. They're being found for 263 keywords. That's getting them about 371 clicks a month to their site. So if I drill into these keywords, you can see roofing Orlando is the first keyword that is the keyword they're getting the most traffic from, I should say. They show as in position, 200 volume a month. They show position 5 for this one. And this is showing 96 traffic for that keyword. I'm going to actually call BS on this. If they're in position 5 here, this is going to be a lot less. Something's going on. There's a bug right now. Roofing Repair Orlando, 250 searches a month, position 4. This may be a little bit more realistic for position 4 for that kind of search. This is going to be probably around 15. So you add those two up, 15, that's 40. And then Roofing Company Orlando, that's another 200 searches, position 5, 17. So say that between those keywords they're getting 50 clicks a month. That's not bad. Say they get 10% of those as closed business, that's another 5 roof repairs, roof replacements a month just for those 5 keywords. And there's all kinds of different flavors of these keywords, as you can see here. These are called buyer intent keywords. These are the kind of keywords you want in your content and that you want to be ranking for. Because if somebody is searching this, they know they want a roofer, they just don't know which roofer. They're going to call one of the top 3 people that show up when somebody does that search. And if you're not in the top 3, chances are you're not going to get that traffic. So let's compare that to your website. OrlandoRoofingPros.com, 113 referring domains, which is not bad at all. So it looks like at some point somebody did some SEO for your site, and maybe they're even still doing it. And if we look at the keywords, it's only giving you 6 traffic right now, unfortunately. And sorry, I'm just looking at something. Okay, so yeah, roofing rebates. I'm looking for a keyword. Roofing companies Orlando Roofing Company. So these two would be buyer intent. Oh, here, I missed this one. Roofing companies Orlando, Florida. 200 searches, but you're at the bottom of page 2, unfortunately. Not going to get any traffic for that. Same with these. You're on page 3 at this point. You're not going to get any traffic. So you've got some of these keywords on your page, but the actual backlink quality must not be super high. We've got one decent backlink here that's in the 30 to 40 ranges, but most of them are in 0 through 10. And they're just not powerful enough to lift you up in the ranks for those keywords. So if you've been working on your SEO and somebody's been trying to help you out and you don't see any progress here, I could probably dig a little further and try to figure out what's going on. So, but with that, I'm gonna stop the video. I don't want these to get too long. I hope this was useful. What I would say is, double your content, add some more keywords, look for citation opportunities, and stay on top of your SEO person just to make sure they're getting you the right kind of backlinks to get you some ranks on those keywords you're actually already ranking for. And with that, I will let you go. I hope this was useful. If so, reply to the email, let me know your thoughts. It really helps me out. And if you need any other tips, I'd be happy to chat. So just reach out. My phone number will be in the email, and you'll have my email address. So with that, I will let you go. Thank you for watching, and have a great rest of your day.